Here's another car with another chiller setup. The button is right here this time. There is the relay. I'm gonna put it. I usually put in the relays. 1 second, I'll show you. Over here, you have a free spot for the relay. It's almost like stuck. We're facing this way. S4, S5, perfect location for the button. Or either this side, as I did many cars as well. But this one I decided to go this way. Works from the ignition on. You can hear it. Runs. Closing back to heat exchanger mode. Chiller mode. Alright. That's it. Wiring. Can sensor. By the way, group number 9 is water temperature. I connect the sensor. Oops. Sorry, I need the power. 7, 8, 9, 21 Celsius right now. That's what about ambient temperature, 21 today at my garage. Works. Here's the previous video I showed you as far as the can sensor is. And here's the analog inputs for ethanol analyzer, E85 sensor, and oil pressure. Yeah.
Peace.
Now the S4, S5, I would say this is the perfect location for chiller installation. Next to the wheel liner, it's a lot closer to this line. It's discharge or low side. Its original line is right there, which is pretty close. As you can see, it's not even like about 6 inches line only. The 6 inches long piece. And here's the high pressure side. Same thing, about 6 inches from the main line, which is a good thing. The shortest lines is possibly is better. Solenoid, which is control the flow for the freon, turn off or turn on the chiller flow for the freon. 2 electronic valve, which is redirect the water flow from heat exchanger or chiller only. Storage tank, critical one. Location for Audi S4, S5. I would say this is the perfect location. Everything clears out. I didn't have to cut anything pretty much. And keep the second air pump. Now relocation the pump. So this is the best spot to keep the pump next to the tank. So it's sucking water in from tank into the supercharger. So it's connected to one on the bottom, and another small line is for supercharger intercooler bleeders, which is to control the water flow for it. It's right there. So this is my solution to keep the life, extend the life for intercoolers, and plus you bleeding all the air automatically. You never have to worry about it. Done. Chiller. The water temp is -4. Damn. Ambient is 43. That's pretty cool. Didn't expect that. I'm expecting 0 and 5 degrees. 26 intake. Hell yeah. Ooh, I see -5. Lovely chiller. Doing the work. There you go. Of course it's a idle and full blast the fan. So, yeah. definitely cool.